Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 122. Given that f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 6x minus 7, and then solve for x if f of x is equal to 0 to correct to 2 decimal places. We have done that part where we got that x is equal to 0,73 or x is equal to negative 1,93 using the quadratic formula. Okay. Hence or otherwise, calculate the value of d for which f of x squared plus 6x minus d is equal to 0 has equal roots. Okay, there are different methods that you can use here, but I will stick to the use of the discriminant. Right, when the roots are equal, the discriminant is equal to 0. When the roots are equal, the discriminant is equal to 0. And then remember, the discriminant is what? This is discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. That's the discriminant. So when the roots are equal, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Right, we have our a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and then c is equal to negative d. So we substitute these into the discriminant. So it becomes 6 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative d is equal to 0. So this is 36 minus 20. Oh, it was supposed to be plus. Okay, it's fine. Let me do it here. 36, because negative 20 times negative d here is plus. Positive, okay, is equal to 0. And then we say 20d is equal to negative 36 after transposing this to the other side. Then divide by 20 on both sides of the equation. D is equal to negative 36 over 20. Reduce it to its lowest terms. D is equal to negative 9 over 5. Done. That's what you're supposed to do there.